Hi viewers, hearty welcome to our channel, Square Maths YouTube channel. Still, the members did not subscribe my channel. Please do it to get the more updates, interesting updates related to mathematics. So far, we discussed about trigonometry part 1 and 2. Still, those who did not watch it, link is given in the description. To go further, the trigonometry third part, we are going to discuss about Pythagorean triplets. It's most important concept and interesting. So you have to remember, memorize. So let us go through this session now. Trigonometry, third part, Pythagorean triplets, which plays important role for all 8, 9, 10 standard, CBSE, ICSE and various competitive examinations. So I hope so you are going to listen very carefully. So let us start now. So what do you mean by Pythagorean triplets? If a square plus b square is equal to c square, if this is possible, then a comma b comma c is said to be a Pythagorean triplet. If this is possible, so if a square plus b square is equal to c square, then ABC is said to be a Pythagorean triplet. So what are the conditions where a comma b comma c are positive integers? This is a condition. Okay, so once again, if a square plus b square is equal to c square or c square is equal to b square plus a square, then ABC is said to be a Pythagorean triplet. So this is used in geometry and trigonometry, etc. in various streams and various chapters, various subjects also. So let us write the commonly used Pythagorean triplets. So commonly used. So the first one is nothing but 3, 4, 5. Second one is 6, 8, 10. Third one is 7, 24, 25. Next, fourth one is nothing but 5, 12, 13. And fifth one is 8, 15, 17. And last here is nothing but 20, 21, 29. So on, you will get many. So let us check whether they are all holds good or not. Okay. So consider, for example, you can consider anything. For the sake of calculation, we are going to consider the first one. Consider 3, 4, 5. Okay. So while checking, consider the largest one here, nothing but 5. So here 5 square, nothing but 5 into 5 is 25. Next, so here c is equal to 5, implies this one. And a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 4. Or you can take a is equal to 4 and b is equal to 3. Therefore, I can write now a square plus b square, nothing but 3 square plus 4 square. 9 plus 16, nothing but 25. So this implies, so 25 stands for our c square. So this implies I got here a square plus b square is equal to c square. Hence 3, 4, 5, a comma b comma c is said to be Pythagorean triplet. So for the various things you can check it. Okay. So this is about the concept of Pythagorean triplet. If you observe carefully, it is very applicable in coordinate geometry, in nothing but our trigonometry, similar triangles, nothing but Pythagorean theorem. Just let us state here. Later in the next track we are going to prove Pythagorean theorem and etc. That is different one. So this you may have been heard here. Suppose this is C, this is A and this is B. If this is C here, it is 90 degrees. If this is C here, this is AB and this is C, capital C. So in a right angle triangle, by Pythagorean theorem, I can write, sorry, this is A and this is B. This is B and this is A. I can write here in triangle ABC, angle C is equal to 90 degrees. So therefore I can write AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. From this I can write here C square is equal to A square plus B square. I can say very easily that nothing but these are all Pythagorean triplets, forms of sides of the right angle triangle. Please memorize this one. Then you can follow. So Pythagorean triplet, nothing but indirectly Pythagoras theorem, some commonly used in similar triangles, secant and tangents to a circle, trigonometry, etc. and example verification. Okay. So this is nothing but verification. So once you have the total look, so let us go through remaining part now. So this is a definition of our Pythagorean triplet. Now let us step into the most thrilling and important pattern of our Pythagorean triplet. Let us attack now. So it's most interesting and important pattern. So let us go through it now. So I am writing here in the order. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, again you write down 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, here 3, 5, 7, 9. So what did you observe here? This is nothing but our mixed fractions. Okay, let us evaluate now. So if you are going to consider, you are going to get 4 by 3. Next, 12 by 5. Next, 24 by 7. Next, 40 by 9. So after this, we are going to get now here, write down 3, 4. Next, you write down here 5, 12. Next, 7, 24. Next, 9, 40. Here, if you observe carefully, after 3 and 4, the next immediate integer is nothing but 5. Next here it is after 12. The next integer, positive integer is 13. Next here after 24, 25. Next here it is after 40, you are going to get 41. If you check, obviously they are Pythagorean triplets. So these are all Pythagorean triplets. So you can continue also, you can try for the remaining parts. It's so interesting, I think so. Consider a square plus b square is equal to c square. For all this, you are going to get as a Pythagorean triplet, nothing but the sides of a right angle triangle. So let us give the serial number for this. So this is our first one, and this is second one, this is our third one, and next this is our fourth one. So Pythagorean triplets concept with the interesting pattern, this falls under our part 1, part Roman 1 here. Trigonometry part 3 under this Pythagorean triplets, still this is part Roman 1 itself. In the future days, still will continue our Pythagorean triplets. Okay, so once you have the total look, explaining once again, just write here this 1, 2, 3, 4, this 1, 2, 3, 4. Later you write down again 1, 2, 3, 4. Next 3, 5, 7, 9. Odd numbers. Later you simplify. Immediately 4 and 5, immediately 5, 12, 13, immediately 24, 25, and immediately 40, 41. So finally all these are nothing but Pythagorean triplets. So once you have the total look, so please viewers, I am expecting this is a small video session in order to continue our next parts under trigonometry. We have been gone through the Pythagorean triplets already. In the state boards you have, in the 8th class and in CBSE you have the about Pythagorean triplets. Next, after discussing that one, they are nothing but the sides of the right angle triangle. Interesting pattern, and here it is important also, interesting at the same time, important pattern regarding Pythagorean triplets. So please viewers, still those did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon for more updates. If you feel good, you can like it. Please, it's my request that after watching the video, share to your near and dear, and hope so you will going to give the blessings in the form of comments to get motivation for my coming videos. So signing out, this is your Santosh from Square Maths YouTube channel. See you in the next video session. Thank you.